side, one on the other. After we cross that second one, we turn around.
Yep.
That'll be enough. Excellent. Keep going, keep going. I don't see any bubbles. That's where the air was coming out.
Are there bubbles there?
Oh yeah, there they are. Keep. Well, here I am, walking my bike back. Jim went on ahead. It's just me and the poor broken down bike. Flat couldn't be fixed. We tried. Jim tried. I watched. Just need to get new tubes, I guess. So it's a beautiful day this Easter. Jim got his 14-mile bike ride in. I got a 7-mile bike ride in and 2 miles of walking. It's a good day.